How to find trending hashtags for Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, open any of the web browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. You can see this search box, type in your hashtags for Instagram. Now over here you're gonna find different websites. Open this one website, best hashtag. Now here you're gonna find different hashtags that are trending for Instagram. Just scroll down. You can see these popular hashtags. You can use this. All you have to do is copy, tap on OK, and you can close this after you copy the hashtag and open your Instagram app. Now here I will be using that hashtag for this post. You can see that these hashtags are very trending, as these hashtags has been used for like millions of posts. So this is how you can easily find trending hashtags for Instagram. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.